Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Oh yeah, we're at the shop today, so you guys know you gotta be doing another mod. And as you can tell by the title, you guys kind of already know what it is. Now, I made a video already installing the awesome BF Designs DRL rear lights, which is this right here on both sides. It was literally plug and play. It was very easy. Well, the company, of course, BF Designs, of course, they saw the video and they made a few changes to the package or the kit. And they actually just sent me another one, an official one, because you guys saw in the last video it's kind of like a regular box, but now we have an official box. Shout out to them. We have an official VF Designs package, bro. The new and updated package. And then I haven't looked inside yet, but if we open it, hey, look at that. VF, thank you for your purchase. And then we have it actually wrapped up this time. Oh yeah. They gave us some cleaning solutions and stuff this time. Heck yeah. So if you guys remember from the last video, I stated that there was a few things that I did see. One was the gap right here. Another was kind of like the tape was kind of peeling up a little bit on the lights, right? And then my biggest thing was the wires. You being able to see the wires showing. So they inboxed me on Instagram and they told me that, you know, they had updated the package, they seen the video, and they improved some of the stuff that I said was wrong with it. So like I said, the wires, you know, you being able to see the wires on the tail, the 3M not completely sticking, so they updated that. They updated the tape that helps it stick. They updated how the wires are. They updated a lot, guys. So now we're gonna go ahead and disassemble. If this is your first time seeing this, I would suggest that you go watch the last video, because I go into like what all you need to take apart, what all you gotta do. In this video, I'm probably just gonna go ahead and skip forward, go ahead and take all this off, go ahead and pull the old lights off, and then I'll probably catch up with you guys again once we go to install the new and improved kit onto the bike. Bro, that's awesome. I've never had a company do that. Like that's pretty awesome. Like they sat there and watched the video, seen what I said was wrong, and went back and improved what was wrong, bro. Like I'm excited to put all this on and see. But bro, that is awesome. Shout out to you guys again, VF Designs. Like I said, if you guys are not, follow them on Instagram, guys. And if you have an R1 or R6, I will put the year models on the screen. If you have an R1 or R6, guys, I would suggest that you guys really look into getting these. And if you do decide to get one, make sure you use the code Reaper1K before you check out to get your discount on your purchase. But without further ado, let's stop with the talking. Let's go ahead and disassemble this and get the old kit off, and then I catch up with you guys with the new kit. So as you guys saw last time, right here, yellow and blue wire is the stock tail light wire, And then we have these two running into these big female connectors right here. And then we have the one right here, and this one is still open. So now we're gonna unplug all this and then peel this off, wipe it down really good, and then we'll get into the installation of the new kit. So stay tuned. Oh guys, they got that freaking like brand new smell. Ooh, brand new packet smell, boy. Yeah. Guys, right off the back, I can already tell an improvement. So, all right, just to remind y'all again that this first set that I had right here, the set that I pulled off, right? This was a concept. This was like their test product, right? And to be honest with you, it was a good test product. Like I say, I only had a couple things I said with the wire showing and the tape not sticking as well. But bro, with this new setup, look at this. Right off the back, like I said, the wires are way shorter. Like, hold on, let me set y'all up right quick so y'all can see. All right, so I got y'all set up now. But okay, you have the new package and then you have the old package. Look how, if I hold the wires beside you, look how much longer the concept was than the actual kit, bro. Like, that is what I'm talking about. They shortened this, they shortened this up a lot, y'all. Like, look at that difference. And not only that, this kit is supposed to be a lot brighter as well. Like that last concept kit, test kit, was bright, like as it was. But he said that this one's supposed to be brighter, so dude, that's gonna be pretty cool. So now that we looked at it and kind of went over the differences and the update, now we're gonna get ready and throw this on. We're gonna start with the wires. Well, yeah, we might start with the wires first, and then we'll go ahead and get to putting this on. So let's get to it. Guys, yo, dude, I'm already seeing a complete difference, right? All right, I ain't even hooked the thing up yet. I just placed it where it needs to go. Like, that's not hooked up, and that's just hanging. But if you look, right, just me lining it up, it doesn't run over the top anymore, bro. It automatically, I thought y'all were looking at the same thing I was looking at. Sorry. It doesn't run over here. Like, you remember the last set, I put up a little clip, but it ran like kind of over the top of this. Now, dude, it just automatically just goes along the sides and then into the thing, bro. Like, look at this one. As soon as you line it up over here, it automatically just runs to the side. And down here, it doesn't fall on top anymore, bro. Like, dude, that's a big difference. Hold on. So I couldn't line it up as close, but because they're not sticking on. But if I hold this one in place, see how it pops out and then it rides around? And I know y'all like, wait, you sticking it out. Okay, hold on, give me a second. If I put this one in place, right here, exactly where it was, see how that wire runs straight over here and then go down? And then if you bend it too much, you shortening the wire, bro. But, okay, I think it's stuck. Okay, so if it sticks on, it failed. But you guys get my point. Anyway, let's go ahead and throw this on so we can see the final results. guys. And we have it hooked up and installed. Hoping y'all can see that. I like how they blacked it out with the tape, so that you really don't even know it's up under there unless you actually looked or the lights are on. But of course we're gonna get a final look. I'm gonna clean all this up, put everything back together, and then we'll see a final look. So yeah, see you guys in a minute. All right, guys, she's all back together, and I can tell y'all, dude, I am so impressed with how this came out. Dude, they killed it. Okay, so before, the wires ran along the top of this, bro. Like along the top of this, up under the seat. Look how clean that looks now. Look how freaking clean that looks, bro. No more running on top of this or anything. It by itself just sits itself right here and tucks in on both sides. That's what I'm freaking talking about. That is what I'm talking about. And then look at that. Just makes the tail look so nice. It's really nice. Yo, again, huge shout out and much love to VF Designs, man. Thank you guys for sending me this over to test. Thank you for an actual kit, and thank you for cleaning up the look and like not taking everything I said wrong, man, but just taking what I said and actually fixing it. That is so dope, bro. Like the lights are a lot brighter than what they were. They cleaned up the look. The tape, I have not had to fix that tape since I put it on. Like the last set, once I put it on, you know, I had to go back and, you know, add pressure to it. Then I would go back and add pressure to it, more pressure. But this, man, I put that on that first time you guys seen in the video, and I have not touched it. I have not touched it, y'all. Like it just, dude, it looks so good. It's so clean. It's such a clean look. That is dope. Guys, go follow them, please. I'm gonna put their Instagram up on the screen again. You guys go follow them. Give them a follow. If you have an R1 or R6, guys, I'm telling you, it's worth it. It's definitely worth it. Go ahead and purchase you one. All right? And don't forget your discount code, Reaper1K. Do it. I'm telling you. You're not going to be disappointed, man. This thing looks so sick at nighttime. And even during the daytime. Like I did a test ride on a fan's bike, and they were on my bike. And they actually was in front of me some of the time, and you can see the lights, dude, like clearly during the daytime, like really clear. So it's not like you know, oh, they look real good at nighttime, but during the daytime they kind of whack. No, bro. No, these look good during the daytime and nighttime. They are bright. They look good. Everybody who's seen the bike since I put the lights on have complimented the lights, man. It's a nice touch. So you guys make sure you go and just purchase you a set if you have an R6 or R1. I'm telling you guys. But again, before I close out this video, thank you VF Designs for working with me with that and sending me, you know, the product to test and an actual kit to install. Thank you guys. Much love to you guys. Again, guys, go follow them. And if you don't already, follow me on Instagram. And then also hit that like and subscribe button on this video, guys. But that's all I got. I try to make this video as short as possible. But that's all I got for you guys. So I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.